Hallelujah. Bam! Look at that activity go. Bam! Look at that activity go. Hallelujah. Indeed. We just started. We've been closing profits 5-6 times today so far. So that's why our profits are so low. But we've been scalping at 20-30% profit. This is our 5th scalp. Making about 20% profit each. 15% profit. Let's see. Yeah, you do the math on that. Not so bad. Our latest entry was right at, well, you can see our latest entry. It was right there. This much from here to here. It's only, look at how many dollars that is. It's only, wow, it's only about $20. It's literally only a tiny little $20 jump. In the big picture scheme of things, this is still a small picture. It's only a tiny little hair's width from here to here, here to here. Look at that tiny little thing. And it already gave us 10% here, 13% here. 16% here, and yeah, it looks like we're going to close again and start all over.